After a year of hard work, Tactica Geek proudly presents the ultimate modular tactical sling bag system, the K.SYS series. The standout feature of this collection is its modular design. Each bag is equipped with G6 connection buckles, allowing for flexible combinations. Discover endless possibilities and enjoy customizing your backpack. The L6 backpack offers ample storage capacity with a carefully designed layout, making it easy to keep your belongings organized. The well-arranged compartments help ensure everything stays neatly in place, making it a great option for daily carry. The shoulder strap adopts G6 detachable buckle design, which can easily switch the left and right shoulder to achieve a variety of ways such as crossback or diagonal span. At the same time, shoulder pads can also be added to improve wearing comfort. The strap is equipped with a fidlock magnetic buckle, allowing for quick one-handed unlocking with adjustable length on both ends. A fixing band keeps excess straps secure and prevents interference. After adjustment, the L6 can also be used as a fanny pack. The interior color scheme of the backpack is black and red, and the red hook material can be attached various pouches. The large loop area is perfect for CCW, concealed carry weapons. Inside, elastic mesh dividers can organize items of different sizes and securely hold them in place. The front flap uses a magnetic closure, making it super easy to grab your things. There's a horizontal pocket on the flap, with a hook and loop fastener area where you can DIY personalized patches or tuck the flap away for a cleaner look. The L6 backpack features an elastic cord at the bottom that can securely hold items such as an umbrella, water bottle, or clothing. There's also a zippered pocket in the back, perfect for storing an iPad mini, while the front pocket provides easy access to your phone. The A8 pouch is perfect for storing smaller items. It comes with a detachable shoulder strap, so it can be used alone or combined with other bags for various scenarios. The E6.0 is a standalone EDC tool organizer with multiple compartments to keep all your gear in place. It can be used alone or as an extension module with other bags, elevating your carry experience. The K.SYS series features Dimension Polyance, SPAC VX21, and Multicam Alpine fabrics, combining top-tier functionality with sleek, stylish aesthetics. VX21 is known for its lightweight, sturdy, waterproof, and wear-resistance properties, while the Multicam Alpine adds a unique visual flair to the bags. We've carefully selected every component, using high-quality materials only, market-tested materials to ensure our bags perform exceptionally well, even in the toughest conditions. We're confident that you'll love this series as much as we do. Thank you for your continued support and trust your passion inspires us to keep pushing the boundaries of innovation. We can't wait to embark on more exciting journeys with you. Thank you.